My responsibility area with Central Valley Ag is I'm the Director of Professional Ag Services. And what that includes, it's kind of the umbrella of all of our precision ag services, our precision ag equipment, our crop consulting group, and our innovation or research and development group. The way we're structured and how the professional ag services group looks is kind of unique in the industry and in how we all interact and work together. It's the Precision Ag Services Group, and they're set up with regional precision ag specialists, and that group helps out with the data processing, data analysis, making the recommendations, getting the information sent over to our application, and they also do a lot of support with our sales team. Our precision equipment group, we're Ag Leader, Precision Planting, 360 Yield Center dealers, and we have 3 full-time equipment technicians that work with that. And they interact with the precision ag specialists in helping make sure the application can get done correctly, helping our customers get their equipment set up so they can do the variable rate seeding, do the variable rate nitrogen, work with those different technologies. And then we have our crop consulting group, who they're kind of our boots on the ground and our eyes in the field. They're a good resource on the agronomic side, and they also are very key in helping with the data collection, working with the soil sampling, the EC mapping, testing seed meters, and helping out pretty much wherever they need. So that ties into the equipment and the services side also. And then we have our innovation or research and development arm, and we have 3 innovation plots throughout Central Valley Ag. And in those plots, we do a lot of trials on some of the new technologies that are coming out. And that might be equipment, that might be precision ag services, it might be different agronomy products. And then we also run some on-farm trials with some of our key customers in making sure we get that data collected. So then that also rolls in with our sales agronomists and evaluating new products and services. And then the people from this group, they also do a lot of training and development. So internal training and development for our internal people, and then we also do customer meetings, and that group kind of works with that a lot more. One of the things that comes to top of the mind is our multi-hybrid seeding, and tying that in with variable rate planting. Our equipment guys, they work with the equipment and get it set up. They help make sure the equipment can do the multi-hybrid and work with the precision planting components on that. This year we did within our research and development group, we did some on-farm trials and some trials in our innovation plots on writing those multi-hybrid prescriptions. And we're collecting the yield data on that so that we have data included with that. And on the precision ag side, our precision ag specialists, they're the ones writing the actual multi-hybrid and variable rate prescriptions. So in a case like that with the multi-hybrid, it's taking our precision ag specialists, our equipment specialists, and our research and development side to bring that all together and show the value to our customers. We just kind of started rolling it out this last season, and we've seen some tremendous response from it. We had very good results in the trials that we did, and that's creating a lot more interest with our customers. I think it might be a little bit slower on the development of it with a lot of our customers not set up on the equipment side to be able to do multi-hybrid, but I think this next year we're going to take a huge step forward in that, and I would think within the next couple of years it's going to be a pretty big area of focus for us. We focus a little bit more on the equipment side with our customers. We are working with some of the other seed companies, or when we're doing some trials or working on equipment with liquid application, or the variable rate seeding, working with those companies to tap into their experience and their knowledge of how all that goes. So like you said, it's a big collaboration between all the companies and internally to make sure we're bringing the right products and doing this thing right, tapping into all that experience and that expertise to make sure we're giving our customers the best possible services and options available.